October 5th, 2020, Fluency. Number 1, find the difference between 761 and 99 hundredths and 38 and 156 thousandths. So, difference. What does that word difference mean? Oh yeah, that means we're going to subtract. All right, so I'm going to move this up here so we can type our answer in there after. So the difference, we're going to subtract. So what are we doing when we line up decimal, oh my goodness, what are we doing when we add or subtract with decimals? Line them up, line them up. So we're going to line up our decimals. 761 and 99 hundredths. And then we're going to have the difference, or subtract, 38 and 156 thousandths. So remember, line them up, line them up. So we have 38, 38 and 156 thousandths. 1 and a 5 and a 6. All right, so now we have our problem here. I'm actually going to extend our line so that we can get it. There we go. All right, so we're going to start subtracting. You can put placeholder zeros, especially in the upper number. So can we do 0 minus 6? No, so we need to borrow from this 9. So that 9 will become a 10. That 9 becomes a 10. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. That 9 becomes an 8. My bad. To make that 0 a 10. My bad, my bad. Woo! My goodness, I'm going crazy. There we go. To make that 0 a 10. Now we can do 10 minus 6, which is going to be 4. 8 minus 5, we know that's 3. 9 minus 1, I know that's 8. What do I do with that decimal? Drop it low, or drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. All right, 1 minus 8, we can't do that. So the 6 needs to become a 5. To make that 1 and 11. Ooh. There we go. Whoop. There we go, there we go. All right, so now we can do 11 minus 8, which is going to be 3. Because 8 and then 9, 10, 11, that's 3. 5 minus 3 is going to be 2. And that 7 minus 0 is going to be 7. So our answer is 723 and 834 thousandths. Sorry, 723 and 834 thousandths. That's our answer there. Let's take a look at number 2. What is the sum of 5 and 67 hundredths, 19 and 12 hundredths, and 0 and 3,167 ten thousandths? So what we're going to do, that sum, we are going to add. Duh, we know that. We're going to add. All right, so what do we do when we're adding or subtracting decimals? Line them up. Line them up. So we have 5 and 67 hundredths. 5 with our decimal. 6 and 7. And then we have 19 and line up that decimal. Line them up. Line them up. 19 and 12 hundredths. Boop, boop, boop. And then we have 0 and line them up. Line them up. Line up those decimals. 3,167 ten thousandths. So 3 and then a 1 and then a 6 and then a 7. All right, now, remember, what did we say that we were going to do with the word sum? Oh, yeah, add. We're going to add these. I'm going to just slide that right on over. There we go. I'm going to move this a little bit lower there so we can have some more room. We can put placeholders of zeros if you would like to. We are adding, so we can do all of these at once. Woo. All right, here we go. Ready? 0 plus 0 plus 7 is going to be 7. 0 plus 0 plus 6 is going to be 6. 7 plus 2 is going to be 9, plus 1 is going to be 10. So I'm going to carry that 1 and drop that 0. So that's 10. 6 plus 1 is going to be 7, plus 1 is going to be 8, plus 3 is going to be 11. 11. Gonna drop that decimal. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. 9 plus 1 is going to be 10, plus that 5 is going to be 15. And then when we carry that up here, we have 1 plus 1, which is going to be 2. So our answer is 25 and 1,067 10,000ths. So that is our answer. We can type it in over here. Boop, boop, boop. Or you can circle your answer, or you can leave it like that. That is fine as well. And that is your answer.